Hello, good evening and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Primetime English News with Pavini. First, the headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren responds to allegations on Manipur's absence in union budget, labels as unfortunate petty politics. Chief Minister N. Biren departs Imphal for Delhi to attend Niti Aayog meeting. Armed cookies torches Meitei houses situated 500 meters from Borobekra police station and Assam Rifles post in Jiribam district. And Pediatric Association of Manipur launches Oral Rehydration Solution Week 2024 with focus on fighting diarrhea in children. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform SKTV in Manipur that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren has responded to the allegation that no aid was mentioned for Manipur in the union budget. He said that it is unfortunate playing petty politics. He was speaking while attending the distribution of benefits and launching of books of Department of Sericulture and Manipur Building and Construction Workers, Welfare Board under Department of Skill, Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship held at Chief Minister's Secretary in Babupara today. Social Welfare, Skill, Labor Minister H. Dingo also attended the event. Chief Minister N. Biren said that the government has consistently supported the relief efforts since the beginning of the ongoing crisis. He said that 29,65,000 rupees has been benefited by 300 beneficiaries of Manipur Building and Construction Workers Welfare Board under Department of Skill and 495 beneficiaries of 4 separate projects of sericulture. He highlighted that government has sanctioned relief aid of 300 crore 30 lakh rupees for the people residing in relief camps. Center has provided assistance 124 crore rupees for constructing prefabricated homes and daily food provisions, while a total of 23 crore was distributed in 1,000 rupees installments to each person residing in relief camps at least 4 occasions. 3 crore rupees was spent on distributing television sets in relief camps. 44 crore rupees was utilized for children's nutrition and personal hygiene, while 19 crore rupees was allocated as compensatory packages for agriculture and related activities. Chief Minister further added that 25,000 rupees has been disbursed as the first installment to 6,000 families under the special assistance package for violence-affected families, with each family set to receive 1 lakh rupees. He also pointed out that residents of Sugnu, Torbung and Sero have returned to their normal lives and stayed at their permanent house, claiming that peace has gradually returned to the state and urged for collective strife to attain it. All the demands, including the identification of illegal immigrants and the implementation of the NRC, should strictly adhere to constitutional and legal framework.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯇꯣꯛ ꯈꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯨꯡꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯠ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯄꯜꯂꯤꯒ ꯄꯟꯗꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯄꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯄꯜꯂꯁꯨ ꯄꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐꯀ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ 195ꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯔꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ prefabricated yum saba ada laiba yadamina mogi laibhamji pibagi saba kadadasu karor sama kunmari ni adagi television set loina ekoi relief camp sing sa yamba yelibani adur masjid da karor ahum ni adagi hek relief camp da laiba mi amamamda lising imung amada mi tara laide imung da lising tara imung da mi manga laide imung da lising manga masi si ekoi round mari rak pibrabani aina masi panjari si waro bigono mayam kana gumba some PT politics over Kangu Karana government si mayam gi relief camp the lady basically came the Taudrabu Gumba, the relief camp the Salaga Awana, the Kara Unaru Hector, government si came the Dominale, but Honaba Karagawa to give facts and figure to mayam the Kamzavani.
Labour Minister H. Dingo said that although Manipur Building and Construction Workers Welfare Board under Department of Skill was established in 2010, it started functioning from 2016. The government also ensured to provide benefits to the labourers, pension for above 60 years persons, education benefit along with finance assistance under this board. He said 300 students will get the benefits today. Minister Dingo asserted that the board is attempting to provide medical benefits to the people of Manipur, highlighting that a total of 50,000 individuals had received the benefits since 2016.
Manipur Building and other construction workers welfare board ki makhasali ka pen karke thabam packet ke have maruina apoi accident ki benefit for labor ka always in the phangada ba hai ta sahi humbu suba solution stega koi pension benefit ki kana ba koi kana se pd adagi education benefit nasi apoi ne thokado issue koi education benefit ne koi beneficiary 300 beneficiary single da apoi education benefit chipisa bane na They go with missing around Sinchida for the support of Boyna, Hadi financial support of Boyna, non Sinchida for the Mahina, and never get to China for the high of the city, Sidagi for the educational benefit, Makata for medical benefit, and Tonga of the questions or any habits in the city. For our city, Chapsula, Tatai, and the Lapochari, Sinisi, Hadi, Narpa, Regi, Yellow, and the lady, but also for high or the city Makata for the benefit.
Chief Minister N. Biren expressed optimism about meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, fulfilling a long-standing public desire. He announced his intention to address the ongoing Manipur crisis during discussion with the Prime Minister and will urge the need for immediate intervention following the Niti Aayog and Chief Ministers conclave in Delhi. Responding to reporters at his secretariat today, Chief Minister N. Biren also announced that he will personally invite the 10 Kuki-Zo MLAs to the upcoming assembly session, where they have also been formally invited by the Manipur Legislative Assembly. On the other hand, he clarified that the recent incident involving the torching of a house in Jiribam by villagers from a specific community was not their doing, suggesting that some individual might be exploiting the situation. Chief Minister N. Biren further assured that the police would thoroughly investigate the matter and apprehend the perpetrators, highlighting that a dialogue has been initiated between leaders from both communities regarding the incident.
My visit in Delhi is especially for Niti Aayog, and after that we are also going to have semi-national club along with Honorable PM, and we'll interact different issues. I will take the privilege, I will take the advantage of addressing about the prevailing situation. I am very optimistic. Something will come positive.
So as the assembly is approaching, do you want to say anything to the Kuki MLAs?
We are inviting them. I also personally inviting them. And from the assembly also, we are inviting. They should come and join.
Imphal For Delhi today at 1:50 p.m. on an Indigo flight to attend the Niti Aayog program scheduled for July 27th. Before his departure, he informed reporters that he will personally extend invitation to the 10 Kuki MLAs to attend the upcoming Legislative Assembly session. Notably, the 10 Kuki MLAs, including 2 ministers, did not attend the last 2 sessions due to the ongoing ethnic violence in the state. As per sources, the Manipur Legislative Assembly have sent an invitation to the 10 Kuki MLAs before a week, but no response has been received thus far. Despite receiving relevant papers for the question hour from both opposition and ruling MLAs, the 10 Kuki MLAs have neither sought leave of absence nor provided any reply. In a fresh bout of violence, armed Kukis reportedly torched an abandoned Meitei house situated at Jakur Radhor Part 2 under Borobekra subdivision, situated 400 to 500 meters from Borobekra police station and Assam Rifles post in Juribam district. The incident occurred around 7 p.m. yesterday. As per sources, the abandoned house belonged to Hekrujam Maniton, 64, son of late Hekrujam Giri Ghari. It is said that Hekrujam Maniton has been seeking shelter in Borobekra police station. A joint team of Borobekra police station and CRPF personnel quickly rushed to the scene to douse the fire. However, the house was gutted by fire. Later, a team of Assam Rifles investigate the scene. The inaugural function of the ORS Week Celebration 2024 took place today at the conference hall of Jennings Hospital. The function was organized by the Pediatric Association of Manipur (PAM), aimed to prevent child deaths caused by diarrhea. Senior resident Dr. L. Radha Pyari from the Department of REAMS participated as a resource person, highlighting that over 443,000 children under the age of 5 die annually due to diarrhea globally. The chief guest of the function, the medical superintendent of Jennings, Professor K.H. Lokeshwar, emphasized the critical importance of administering ORS to children during diarrhea episodes.
ORS hadna oral dehydration solution haibase salt and solution of mahin asiguma pochina matamchana nyum chumna pijaragadi pithagadi angang sinchigo asiguma sathi de laina asidagi kanmangami amasung sibudi ngatokuna aduna handak bharat sarkarna health department ki makata manipur su pediatric association na kanna tawriba diarrhea bu ngathoke hairagadi lunan amasu ORSP matam sana sinagadi aduguma diarrhea du rock tham kimangami adun mutu wakal tu thammo haidana sigi panna adun mipum khunimata aruina manipur gumba handak refugee camps in the lerapa relief camp the leisalapa ising saudi pading hangriba ising awapa lunan mitu khurba punche sidhi thudo hindana akoila mama wa mapa wa kan khudumna section number ki damakta ngasigi ORS ase yamna maru oiba matam saba function na logic.
Assam Rifles has been accused of supporting Kuki militants and exacerbating violence which continues unabated in the state. Somendra Tokchom, coordinator of Kokomi, made these remarks during a press conference at their office in Imphal. He stressed the urgent need for both the people of Manipur and the central government to examine the ongoing violence. He also referenced statement from a retired Additional Director General of the Central Reserve Police Forces, who has extensive knowledge of northeastern states, particularly Manipur. Various political figures, including Manipur Speaker Tokchom Satyabarta, Forest Minister Tongam Bishojit, and Social Welfare Minister Heikam Dingo, alongside other ministers and MLAs, have also urged the central government to withdraw Assam Rifles from the state to restore peace and normalcy. He also highlighted allegations that some Assam Rifles officers were involved in narcotics trade in Manipur, cautioning against treating Manipur under colonial-like rules. He criticized the ceasefire agreement between Kuki militants and Assam Rifles, linking it to increased poppy cultivation in areas where Assam Rifles battalions are stationed, as well as the establishment of new villages under their supervision. Somendra concluded by announcing COCOM's intention to submit a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the President of India, addressing this issue and advocating for peace restoration and the removal of Assam Rifles from Manipur.
Drug gets over Kanoma my own Kudigi, women to war of drug Tokana, the Tonga, Nova, Cookie, Kunmayama, Kunji 1947, who spoke that this was started and put it in Gakre. As Gumayam, Kanaga, Lakunaga, you know, Hibumutam Nangsagi, Matam Changa, wishing the London. Narcotic Taboxim, Yoxan Baman, Bagi, Mami Matab, Hybrid, Mapam. Hagi and Hanking Kayata. I don't know Madam Warga Hogi, away Manipur, Sonariba Lanze. Chantamamba, I will quick pair of reports, one Maming Makbandragazu, but I'm Chang letter, but having some like Panse, Lotok Punatragadi, Manipura, Quagi, Peach Sequoia restored to Wangamoy, having other piece, she restored on J. Hargadi, High Bupiram reports, a sequoia, Lotok with the Makta, a Quagi, Okumina, and Jagi Prime Minister, Memorandum Tarni, President Tarni, Adomasi Lokuna Bahani. Masigi Tangnaba Sida, Manipur Tongan, but Miamsu, Ukomegi, Auxiliary Tabak, Saruga, you have a welcome Christy, and Jagatin.
Coordinating Committee for the Disturbance-Free Educational Zone demand organized a sit-in appeal at various schools and colleges in Imphal West District to mark the 17th Disturbances-Free Educational Zone Demand Day 2024. As part of the sit-in appeal, a large number of students and teachers from Johnstone Higher Secondary School staged a sit protest in front of the school. Dr. Ritendra Longjam, a teacher at the school, addressed the media expressing concern over the current crisis. He highlighted those certain individuals, both involved and not involved in the crisis, are demanding various forms of ransom from schools and colleges, thereby disrupting the educational environment. Dr. Longjam urged the authorities to address this issue promptly to prevent further escalation, which could adversely affect students and teachers in the future.
Tungda Apapa Kunayama, Oigataba, like Shangni Hana Kanari Basumba, Education Institutions in Sida, Mairo Sing Amadi Ozasing the Lady Bama Pamasida, Uba Tabang Amoritaba, Sengi demand OBI, Potaki demand OBI, Masi, Atukimatic Hangbang the Bomonga, Ozasinda, Akway demand of Birapa, Ado High but demand or Ibase, Akway, Oza Kodimanga, Mairo, Singidamaka Katok. Tana Haruk Wedna Laidaba, Nasibok, the Honatuna Laiba, Siki Mataxida Amuxu, Matamatam Ueba, Irang, Asiga, Marilena, Amasu Marilena, Yamasu, Masida Kulai Paiba, Kulai Paidaba, Kudimanga, Koyu, Ozasing Sida, Amadi, School Education Sida, Target Taurakanda, Equigi, Ozasingu, Yamna Hedik Ohenba, Amadi Satra Singer, Ozasing the Lainaba Marexida, Asagi Asuma Putaba, Namdaba. Demand Mayamasina, Equina Tunga, Papa Mahero Putorapada, Yamna, Adukimati obstacle Ohelakwa, Suma Mayamasidi, Equina, Nasidi, Papa Kunai, Changchang Lava Mahero, Simputopada, Saruk Yanabi Damaka, Sumba, Nasiki protest, Diri Ase, Sipantok Sabonit.
Meanwhile, lots of students from Model Higher Secondary School at Kanam Leirak in Imphal West took part in a protest in front of their school. Speaking to the media, student Thongam Gautam said education is crucial for society to grow. He mentioned that restrictions in education could harm society's progress. Gautam warned that if these problems continue, teachers might struggle to teach well and students might forget their studies, leading to a worrisome future.
Sama-sama sa ako matamda education haiba sina backbone ama ori adubu masibu khangna education asida thingba haiba se akhoi gi samasa sibu chawkhotana haibadi hojiki matamda chawkhotpagi mang tharba matam asida maningda hannabagi lambi ama oi aduna masina asum henjalaglabadi oja singna oja oiba ngamaktaba amadi satra satri singna masa masa gi mathau pangthupa ngamdaba haibadi satra na satra ni kauthoropa kaya ama thengne aduna masigi athingba sibu thambidana ba ngasigi model high secondary ki satra ma oina haijari
anu satra ki punsi kan bi uti mana sigi mayokta yaning dabagi satra koi protest
sama-sama.
The student organization Desam from Manipur has strongly urged unknown armed individuals to refrain from demanding exorbitant ransoms from schools and other educational institutions across the state. This statement was emphasized by Desam Secretary General El Toitoiba during a sit-in appeal held at Herbert School in Changangai. The event was attended by a large number of students to mark the 17th Disturbance-Free Zone Demand Day. Toitoiba called upon the government to enact legislation mandating a minimum of 220 school days per year and to designate all schools and educational institutions as disturbance-free zones.
Education sector haibis deisida akhoi lalowa madi lalowa sabasingna puwa thangba ngamloidaba demand mayam ma school gi authority da toksanba college gi oja singna da odagi tongan ba oja singi sinfam da leibiba singsida puwa thangba ngamloidaba por amasung sel gi demand mayam toksala kan da school chalaiba ngaman gi thakta lakpa oja singna satra singbu maning tamna like takpang ngambagi thagadu lerektaba phibam ma ha hojik lae dona maramuduna khoi section kudimakta akhoi hygienic masi akhoi demand da umutamda puwa thangba ngamoidaba demand me amon toksen bese masi tobigenu haibasima akoi coordinating committee on disturbance free education zone demand ge maike degi appeal tawjari aduga akoi gi manipur government na akoi gi education sector sida piriba disturbance masim tanga lepiu haibasini akoi gi mahiro sing sibu takpi tangbu doriba oja sing se masi lowo matamda yamna quality leiba maru sangba senja tumja yaudaba corruption leitaba aduga makal gi oja lobiu madura talaka doriba mahiro sing sina hayeng tungi afaba khunai ma semakpada saru yaga dorni haibase masi manipur government na masi khangom thoi.
Ningthem Chanul Lanchenbi, a 12th standard student at the school, also expressed her views during the event. Despite the ongoing violence in the state, students are striving hard to cover their syllabus quickly. However, curfews and strikes called in the state causes disruption and adversely affect students' morale and their ability to complete their studies. Lanchenbi expressed stress that students participate in such sit-ins, sacrificing their valuable study time, and urged both the government and the people of the state to take students' concerns seriously.
Akhoi disturbance yaudana lai ningthina tamhanbiyo haibani ngasi gi akhoi leibakta thoiba irang mayam asina maram oiduna akhoi lai ningthina tamba phangdere amaromdana government na irang sibu nemthana bani haiduna curfew mayam impose tawsan birakpa khangaudana suti mayam thajan birakpa sina maram oiduna aikhoina leizariba number of working days se sidagi amtana aikhoi like se tami aduga portion ju complete tawnaba da yamna akaiba ma oi aikhoi se huji masina maram oiduna aikhoina ngasi school gi hour dagi period amakha kai thoksaduna ngasi gi protest asida saruk yazabani.
Government teachers in Imphal West District today staged a sit-in protest at Narimthong Community Hall, demanding an end to monetary demands from various organizations. Their demonstration was organized by the Zonal Education Office ZEO, Zone 1 of Imphal West. Various placards were displayed by the protester, taking part in the demonstration such as education sector should be free from any kind of disturbances and don't impose unbearable monetary demands on teachers. Speaking to media, headmistress of Sinam Nodia Upper Primary School, Laishram Dhaneshwari, highlighted the persistent monetary demands from various groups since the onset of the crisis. It has caused significant grievances and anxiety among educators. She warned that prolonged exposure to such conditions could have a detrimental impact on the student community. It may be mentioned that the ZEO Zone 1 of Imphal West had submitted a memorandum to the Director of Education urging the creation of a disturbance-free zone in the education sector. She further highlighted that teachers have been contributed both cash and kindness over the past 14 months. Dhaneshwari demanded to designate the education sector as a disturbance-free zone to end unbearable monetary demands and to address the problem faced by the teachers within 5 days.
Education ki section sida atmosphere sida disturbance akai ba yamna pirakpa ado akoi oja akoi su khangjai haibadi lan soknai ba mafam kya da chatna adagidi angam donation tawdana adagidi relief camp da chatna akoi su angam mateng pangi adudagi hendoktana akoi school da lakpa makhai su mateng pangbiu haiba makhai su akoi angam mateng pangdana loina laknari tawdabu masai sida akakna ba masing pirakpa asutagi taba yaroi ka haiba yarokpa aduna oja khai sida message kai da thitan to bo yarokpa aduna atmosphere se koi ki free oiraktaba education system se free oirakragadi tungda horka deba angang sing je koina semaka dori banina akoi ki mind se free oidramne koina semanga maroi tu ta kadi tungi jaron suronda akai ba kya tholok pa yai haiba se oja kai sina munna khanara matungda mase education section se da akoi free ohen view aduga puba thangma ngamoidaba demand to birakanu akoi oja khaina mapung bhana akoina isana yana lansida akoi saruk yajari aduga yasu yajage
In a tragic road accident today, a woman on a two-wheeler died and her husband sustained injuries after colliding with a Tata tipper truck in front of the old secretariat at Babupara. The incident took place around 2:40 p.m. As per sources, the Tata tipper, bearing registration number MN05C1354, collided with the couple's two-wheeler Wego, registered as MN01L5155. The wife tragically passed away at the scene. The deceased has been identified as Manilaima, wife of Mohindro Ningthojam from Kongman Zone 1 West. Imphal police have arrested the driver of the Tata tipper and have initiated legal proceedings. A convoy of 120 freight trucks carrying essential commodities headed for Imphal from Jiribam today around 7 a.m. The freight trucks included 60 LPG trucks, 26 petroleum tankers, 25 diesel tankers, 4 kerosene tankers and 4 trucks carrying essential commodities. Notably, freight trucks have been halted transportation for 4 days due to dilapidated Imphal-Jiribam road repairing process. A 38-year-old man who was seen missing since Tuesday was found at Nambul River today. As per sources, the man identified as Kombrai Lakpam Suresh, son of late Kombrai Lakpam Prameshwar of Uripok Haubam Dewan Lekai, went out from his residence on July 23rd around 5 p.m. and went missing. Passerby found the body at the early hour of today at the Nambul River of Hiangthang and Irom Maijrao under Wangwei Police Station and quickly informed to the localities. The body was later identified as Kombrai Lakpam Suresh by his family members. Suresh was a school van driver and he survived with 1 son and 1 daughter. The body was collected by a team of Wangwei police and deposited to Reams mortuary for post-mortem. Students of Jirighat High School located in Kamaranga, Jiribam district condemned the recent decision to transfer 2 teachers from the school. They chanted slogans and expressed concern about the resulting shortage of teachers. El Leisna, a student at the school, highlighted that despite having 13 teachers for around 300 students spanning classes 1 through 10, the government's decision to transfer teachers has worsened the shortage. She urged the authorities to reconsider the transfer order, acknowledging the significant disruption poses to the students' education.
अखोई जिरीघाट हाई स्कूल की ओजा अनि ट्रांसफर तौबसे अखोई यामना नुंगाइजदे क्लास 1 दगिना क्लास 10 फाव लैबा स्कूल असिदा छात्र चहुमुक लैजै अदुगा ओजा 13 ताकपि तंबिदुना लागली मरक असिदा अखोई की ओजा अनि ट्रांसफर तौबसी अखोई यामना नुंगाइते ट्रांसफर अथुबा मतमदा स्टेट तौबियो नाइजरी अदुगा अखोई की छात्र सिंगी पुंसिबुसु कनबियो हाइना हाइजरी.
Indian Army organized an interaction and felicitation event with ex-servicemen and their next of kin today in Senapati and commemorated 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Diwas and to honor the gallant heroes of Operation Vijay. During the event, the 1 Veer Mata, 4 Veer Nari and 54 war veterans of Operation Vijay, majorly of the 1 Naga and 2 Naga regiments of Indian Army, who witnessed the Kargil victory firsthand. The event felicitated 3 gallantry awardees of Operation Vijay, namely Sepoy late Kapani Ashuli Mao, Veer Chakra posthumous of 1 Naga regiment. His mother Antakra was honored for his supreme sacrifice along with Havaldar Sani Mao. Sena Medal of 1 Naga Regiment and Havaldar Adarshini, Sena Medal of 2 Naga Regiment, who were recognized for their bravery and gallant actions during the operation, who thereafter also shared their experiences with the gatherings. Indian Army also expressed gratitude to all the veterans for their essential contribution to the Kargil victory, marking the solemn occasions of Kargil Vijay Diwas. A combined security forces seized arms and ammunition from Waikong Lopujing area today. According to police, a joint team of 46th Battalion Assam Rifles, Waikong Police and Commando along with G Company 131 Battalion BSF led by Kakching District Police SP conducted cordon and search operation at around 5:20 a.m. During the operation, the team seized 181 mm missed mortar shell, 2 numbers of 36 high explosive grenade and 2 smoke shell along with cover. A case has been registered at Waikong Police Station in connections with the seizures. A combined security team conducted cordon and search operation at Patel Bazar and Shantipur area in Bishnupur district from 6:20 a.m. to 7:45 a.m. today. According to police, a joint team of Bishnupur Commando, Loktak Police Station personnel and a Company 32 Battalion CRPF personnel conducted the operation. During the operation, the team verified 152 individuals of 45 houses. However, no arrest or untoward incident has been reported. Now we have the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lumphilpat state's maximum temperature was recorded at 31 degrees Celsius while the minimum temperature was 23.6 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 92% in the morning and 60% in the evening. Manipur received 2.1 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren responds to allegations on Manipur's absence in union budget, labels as unfortunate petty politics. Chief Minister N. Biren departs Imphal for Delhi to attend Niti Aayog meeting. Armed cookies torches Meitei house situated 500 meters from Borobekra police station and Assam Rifles post in Jiribam district. And Pediatric Association of Manipur launches Oral Rehydration Solution Week 2024 with focus on fighting diarrhea in children. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyic.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment sections. Join us for real-time updates, exclusive interviews and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur.